Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the Xbox 360 and unplug it, then wait 30 seconds so capacitors settle and you avoid shorts. Once done, find the battery pack. On controllers, it's the rear clip. On some console battery bays, it sits under a panel. You depress the release clip with your thumb or a flat plastic tool and slide the pack straight out. Do this evenly to avoid bending contacts. Make sure you set the old battery aside for proper disposal and prepare the replacement next. Now inspect the new battery carefully. Match connector shape, voltage, and polarity so contacts align. Mismatches can damage the controller. Once matched, clean both device and battery contacts with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free swab to ensure low resistance contact. If the battery is removable lithium, charge it to about 40 to 80% before extended use. This helps battery calibration and longevity. While charging, keep it on a hard, non-flammable surface and avoid metal objects near the terminals to prevent shorting. Align the battery contacts with the slot and slide it in until the release clip clicks. Do not force it. If it resists, stop and realign. Once installed, power on the Xbox 360 and test controller input response. Check the battery icon and observe LED indicators for connection stability. If something's wrong, first reseat the battery and clean contacts again. If issues persist, test a known good battery or try the controller on another console. This isolates whether the battery, controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.